the 2006 Chrysler Town & Country. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. The following features are included: automatic temperature control, a power rear cargo door, remote keyless entry, rear wipers, and power windows. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 7. Chrysler ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, knee airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Are you ready to experience this vehicle for yourself? Call now and schedule a test drive.